Ever noticed your front-end app getting slower the longer it runs? No crashes, no errors. That's probably a memory leak, silently killing your performance. A memory leak happens when your app keeps holding on to a memory it no longer needs. JavaScript won't free it because something is still referencing it. One of the most common causes: event listeners that are added but never removed. Every time this modal opens, memory usage increases. In React, this usually happens inside useEffect. No cleanup function means the listener lives forever, even after the component unmounts. The fix is simple but often forgotten. Always clean up side effects, event listeners, intervals, observers, and subscriptions. Memory leaks don't stop at event listeners. Timers, observers, global stores, and even DOM nodes can quietly leak memory. Use browser DevTools. Take heap snapshots before and after interactions. If memory only goes up, you've got a leak. Memory leaks don't crash your app, they slowly kill it. Write clean effects, clean up after yourself. Follow Coding with Chan for more real front end performance tips.